Chittagong Higher Mathematics 2017, question number 6. In question number 6, we're given a solid in the shape of a cuboid. It has length 5 centimeters, width 4 centimeters, and height 3 centimeters. In part A, we're asked to find the volume of the solid mentioned in the diagram. Now to do this, we know the volume is the length times the breadth times the height. So in this case, it's 5 times 4 times 3, which is 60. So the volume is 60 cubic centimeters. Now in part B, the radii of 3 metal solid spheres are AB, BC, and CC'. A new sphere is formed by melting the 3 spheres. Determine the radius and the whole surface area of the sphere. Well, let the radius of the large sphere be r. Now the formula for a volume of a sphere is 4/3 pi r cubed. So we have the volume of the large sphere is the sum of the volumes of the 3 smaller spheres. So 4/3 pi r cubed is equal to 4/3 pi times 5 cubed plus 4/3 pi times 4 cubed plus 4/3 pi times 3 cubed. Now we can divide all the way through by 4/3 pi. And that gives us r cubed is equal to 5 cubed plus 4 cubed plus 3 cubed, which is equal to 125 plus 64 plus 27, which is equal to 216. So r is equal to the cube root of 216. So r is equal to 6. So that gives us the radius is 6 centimeters. Now we have a formula for the surface area of a sphere. The surface area is 4 pi r squared. So in this case, the radius is 6, so the surface area is 4 pi times 6 squared. Well, that's 4 pi times 36, which gives us the surface area is 144 pi. Now we can work this out as a decimal. It comes to 452.4 cubic centimeters. Now in part C, a rectangle with the size of the ABCD surface of the solid is revolved about the greater side. Find the volume and surface area of the solid formed. Well, if we draw a diagram, we see that when ABCD is rotated about AB, we get a cylinder. Now the height of the cylinder is 5 centimeters and the radius of the cylinder is 4 centimeters. Now the formula for the volume of a cylinder is pi r squared h. In this case, h is 5 and r is 4, so the volume is pi times 4 squared times 5, which comes out to be the volume is 80 pi, or if we write that as a decimal, that's 251.3 cubic centimeters. Now, a cylinder is made up of 3 surfaces, a top, a bottom, and a curved wall. Now, the area of the top is pi r squared, it's a circle, and the area of the base is pi r squared. So the top and bottom together are 2 pi r squared. And the curved surface area is 2 pi r h. So the total surface area is 2 pi r squared plus 2 pi r h. Now that can be factorized into 2 pi r into r plus h. Now again, the radius is 4 and the height is 5, so the surface area is equal to 2 pi times 4 into 4 plus 5. So that's 2 pi times 4 times 9, which is 72 pi. So the surface area is 72 pi, or as a decimal, that's 226.2 cubic centimeters.